So that's fine, whatever. He thinks I was speeding. I don't think I was. But he has no right to get in front of me and jam his brakes on for no reason. I'm in a 13,000-pound vehicle. Do you know what happens if I rear end him? I'm going to put him into a wall and he'd probably die. So why would he get in front of me instead of using his emergency lights and pulling me over? Why would he get in front of me and jam his brakes on, almost causing an accident?
So you're saying that he got right on your bumper, your front bumper,
he was probably 3 feet in front of me.
Brake checked you.
Yes.
Okay.
Did he not admit that to you?
He didn't tell me he brake checked you.
Okay, well he did. And if he tells you other than that, then he's a liar and he deserves to be on the Brady list.
All I can tell you is he's telling me that he got in front of you to slow you down to the speed limit, and you'll need to talk to the judge about that.
You didn't hit your brakes in front of me?
I sped up, I pulled in front of you, and I hit my brakes.
Right, and I'm in a huge truck hauling cargo with 13,000 pounds. Do you know what that does? Okay, well the videotape that's filmed from this car will show everything, and when I forward it to Randy Forrest, Lieutenant Forrest, and I forward it to the Post, they'll be sure to look into it.
How about you email it to me?
Email it to you? It's not going to do nothing for me. I'm going to wait until after the court date, and I'll turn it into the Post.
That's wonderful.
Because that's what caused this whole incident.
That's what caused it, not your 85 plus?
Well, he's full of shit, 85 plus. Now he's on that? That's what GPS do.
Okay, so beautiful. Bring that to court.
He's a liar.
Bring it to court, and if the judge throws
so
it
if I'm doing 85 plus, why aren't you putting me in jail? Just book me up if I was doing 85 plus.
He just did.
Yeah, he just did.
I did.
Yeah.
78 miles an hour to 60.
Well, 78's a lie too.
Okay.
But why did you get 85 plus?
Because that's a number I pulled out of my head.
Oh, okay. So yeah. So you guys just pull numbers. But you guys, your job's based on facts, right?
Okay. Again, you bring your facts to court, and if the judge throws it out, beautiful. Contact us.
Great.
Chris, I'm under arrest. Following too closely. Signal out for For the new drivers out there watching this video, you're not in a car out here in a commercial vehicle. You must obey all orders, and you're treated differently than driving a car. So this guy, I'm assuming he got pulled over for following too close because he kept saying, no, you're following too close. I don't think that following too close is an offense that you can be arrested for, but fighting in court. The worst thing that you can do is fight the d.o.t. officer, police, whatever, right there on the side of the road. I know we've all seen those videos. Oh, I'm a sovereign citizen. I'm not driving. I'm traveling. Well, commercial vehicle, you're driving. And he kept saying, oh, I'm not working. But yeah, he's right there on this side of the road. When I first watched the video, I thought that he had gotten pulled over, or that he was on the ramp or something, got pulled up to him and wanted to do an inspection, which is 100% legal. They can do an inspection at any time.
What the? Oh, this is cop car is gonna get creamed.
Pussyfoot around and fuck it up until they can't be unfucked anymore. Just straight fuck it all the way up and back. And then fuck it up some more.
Blocking my lane. You gotta get out of here. You're not in a parking spot.
Alright, man.
Go in here.
How you banging on the door like that?
I gotta get you out of here. You're blocking my lane.
Alright, man. Hey. I gotta let the air build up.
That's how you do it, shit. Like,
You gonna come back around and say what's the hold up?
gotta protect them. I made the call, it was just like I'm resting. I know we left, yeah, now we back together, but I guess that is better now. Later than never, like, what's happening? I'ma need y'all quit asking when. Me and my wife gonna have some kids. Right now, we just.
If you quit a job, make sure you have a way to get yourself home. Don't be like this truck driver. The owner of this company called the police on him, put him out the truck. Now he's sitting beside the scale with all his stuff. Don't be that driver. What to do, mother truckers? Let me tell you something. If you quit a job,
Weigh station.
Wait, Speedy, what you do?
I ain't do nothing. Hopefully. I'm gonna be real though. If you don't know by now, weigh stations, d.o.t, police officers, they love hot shots. The reason for that is this d.o.t officer has been inspecting this guy for the past hour. It's only gonna take him 15 minutes to inspect me. So if you was a d.o.t officer, who would you want to inspect? Me? Or them? That's what's up. They got my d.o.t officer right now.
How many hours a day do you typically drive?
You are only allowed to drive 11 hours a day.
So what's the hardest part about driving? So,
Just open every damn thing up.
feel like it woke you up?
Yeah.
How many
got scary Tuesday morning as drivers were parked and waiting to be offloaded along B.F. Goodrich Boulevard near the Cisco warehouse.
People don't realize that what you deal with every day as a truck driver.
Craig and Tam Stevenson, a husband and wife trucking team, got a rude awakening when they realized their truck had been broken into.
About 3 o'clock this morning, we got a knock on our door, and we were told our trailer was broken into.
A police report says 3 trucks had been broken into, but nothing was taken.
The fuck? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh no! Oh shit, bro! What the fuck?
You wanna look like $600? Hold up. Oh, I thought you said today was payday. This gas money. I can't even clean my butt with this. What am I do with this?